Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's close to all of our hearts, our health and well-being. Specifically, we're going to discuss some DIY immunity boosters that you can make right in your own kitchen, using items you might already have at home. So, let's dive right in. First up, we have turmeric. This bright yellow spice is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. To make a turmeric immunity booster, simply mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1 cup of warm water. Stir well and drink up. You can also add a bit of honey for sweetness. Next, we have ginger. This root has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its healing properties. To make a ginger immunity booster, peel and grate 1 inch of fresh ginger. Add it to 1 cup of boiling water and let it steep for 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy. Moving on to honey, this sweet and sticky substance has been used for centuries to soothe sore throats and promote healing. To make a honey immunity booster, mix 1 tablespoon of raw honey with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Stir well and drink up. Now, let's talk about garlic. This pungent bulb is a powerhouse of immune-boosting compounds. To make a garlic immunity booster, peel and chop 1 clove of garlic. Add it to 1 cup of boiling water and let it steep for 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy. Last but not least, we have green tea. This popular beverage is packed with antioxidants and has been shown to boost the immune system. To make a green tea immunity booster, steep 1 green tea bag in 1 cup of hot water for 5 minutes. Enjoy hot or cold. And there you have it, folks. 5 simple DIY immunity boosters that you can make right in your own kitchen. Remember, a healthy lifestyle starts with taking care of yourself, and these remedies are a great way to give your immune system a little boost. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.